All right, guys, welcome to Williamsburg, Virginia. We're going to be going and eating really authentic dinner here on the main street. We're on the Duke of Gloucester Street. So you've got a lot of the old places around here. And supposedly the tavern that we're eating at tonight is one of the best ones. So I think it's going to be a really cool foodie experience here. Love the town. Definitely one of my favorite places, especially at nighttime. It gets dark out. It's amazing. So let me show you where we're eating tonight and come join us. All right, so you just keep heading down this way. Such a great area. And we kind of lucked out. I think we're right a little bit before the super tourist time of year happens here. So it's just going to be in at the end of the street, and we'll take you into the King's Arms Tavern. All right, guys, here we are. King's Arm. Definitely you need to have a reservation for this place. Look for the flags. This kind of tells you what places are kind of open. So let's go inside and check it out. All right. All right.
Oh yeah, that's right. I wanted to do that for Mother's Day.
Here it is. Let's look over the menu real quick. Just go ahead and pause.
This reminds me of
A little story if you want to read.
Santa in South Carolina. I like the thing. Oh. Or instead of getting a dinner, get the ham 2 hours. Oh, yeah. We talked about it.
All right, first on the block, our soup. And if you are in Virginia, you definitely want to try, especially at this place, the peanut soup. It's very popular. And Nicole went with the butternut squash soup. Looks fantastic. Both these are gluten-free, except they give you like this stale bread, basically to resemble back in the old days. Let's dig in. All right, so these are relishes that were used to enhance the dishes. So it's a rosemary Virginia ham. We've got a corn relish and obviously the butter for the bread. Yeah, the soup's fantastic. It's just a very light peanut buttery soup. So it has celery in it and just the normal broth, but Virginia peanuts. Definitely a must to try. Get a little entertainment.
Push, the pretty boys bring around to me. The longer we sit here and drink the
All right. What did you go with, Nicole?
Prime rib.
Prime rib. With the veggies and mashed potato, and I went with the pork shoulder in a red wine sauce. It's on cheesy grits.
It's us.
Let's get an aerial of this. It looks beautiful. Can't wait to dig in. All right, guys, look at this.
Yeah, this is fun.
It just pulls apart. Wow. All right, guys. Place was fantastic. Man, what a night. That pork dish was actually one of the best I've had in a long time. Nice wine reduction on their very French influence. And the meat just fell off the bone. Like I literally had the bones just hanging out on the side of the plate. Veggies were great. And yeah, overall a great meal. Nicole's food was really good and her mom enjoyed hers, so definitely I think like a 9 out of 10 for this spot. I definitely would recommend definitely getting reservations because it was full in here. They do, like, the nice little guy comes in with the musical instrument, gives you a lot of history while you're in there before the food comes. So yeah, it's fantastic. All right, guys, from Williamsburg, the basically start of the United States. Oh, real quick, George Washington and Thomas Jefferson and a lot of those dudes ate in that same place. So yeah, Definitely recommend it. You can see now it's getting dark here. And yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Do a big thumbs up on the video. Appreciate it. We're trying to get the channel out there more because we have tons and tons of foodie things coming your way from all around the world now that we're finally starting to travel again after we've gotten settled in New Bern, North Carolina. So we actually have a couple videos. In 2 weeks we're going somewhere in the Midwest. So you'll have to like and subscribe and keep checking out the videos. All right, till next time.